Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft. In this video we are going to do the unboxing of this particular cable by Urban Power. It's a quick charge cable and it comes with a 2 times faster transfer speed, comes with 2 years warranty, 4 feet long, and they claim that the data transfer rate will be faster. Also, this particular cable is made in India and I just got this cable for a fantastic deal, guys. On Amazon it is just available for 129 rupees, and if you check the MRP it is almost 699, which was high. And but again, check out the link in the description for more discount and all. And again, Urban is not sponsoring me for this particular review or something. And this is my personal things, guys. I really like this particular cable. Also, if you like this kind of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget to press that bell notification icon to get any future updates whenever we upload any new video. And with this you get some documentation which nobody reads, and the warranty card, etc. I don't know where to claim their warranty, etc., but I hope it is in place. And coming back to the cable, guys, it is looking fantastic. It is a braided cable, which is one of the better cables which I've seen in my life. And as you can see over here, it is fully rubberized, and I really like the connectors and all, and it is very minimalistic and looking great kind of black cable. So specially recommended for those people who are traveling and all and don't want to use their main cable for traveling, etc. Suppose if you are using this with a PC, and occasionally if you are trying to maybe something like charge or transfer data, so highly recommended in this particular case. And let me know in the comments below, what are y'all using? Are y'all using a third-party cable like this, or y'all are using the one which came with the default with your phone, etc. And in my case, I have plenty of cable lying, and this is one of the better cables, I said, just because it comes with that blue connector USB 3, and I actually transferred the data which I have not recorded. And the data transfer rates are quite good, guys. I've tested this with the K20 Pro and also some Mi 11 Lite phone. And as you can see over here, it is kind of minimalistic and goes very nicely inside the port. You can use this even with something like case on and all. And suppose this case is somewhat like a naked case, so this is not required, but again, you all can use it with a heavy cases and all. And I would highly recommend getting this because of the price point and the amazing build quality, and the transfer speed is truly USB 3, which I just found in my test. So they claim about 480 Mbps or something, but again, I would say definitely go with this, so without any hassle. Again, I'm not been sponsored by Urban for this review. It is just my honest opinion, guys. All my reviews are honest opinion. Again, I really like the build quality, and as much as like black color, I would say this is one of the cables you all should definitely get if you all are not interested in the cable which Xiaomi provides, the white color one, the 33 watt one. So I'm using this with my 33 watt cable, and I have no issue with whatsoever. Again, guys, if you like this kind of videos, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and do check out these awesome videos which we have it. I hope you all enjoyed this particular video as much as we did while creating it, and thanks a lot for watching this particular video, and see you in my next video.